So I just want to make this quick little video on what I believe are newly manufactured VHS tapes still for sale. I got these on Amazon. They are Craig VHS tapes, pretty basic T-120 videotapes, so you get like 2 hours SP mode and 6 hours on EP mode. These, I believe, are still newly manufactured. They sell about 50 of these 3-packs per month on Amazon, so I've read the numbers. These ones I just bought here in 2024. It says right there they were made or manufactured in December of 2018. Okay, as I suspected, it is an insanely basic VHS tape, nothing really special about it. Except for these right here, the stickers that come with. These are insanely glossy. Like, I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but they are insanely glossy, and like I can just run my finger over them with like ease. Alright, so that's what it would look like, I guess, fully decked out and all of the swag it comes with. Yeah, I'm not sure what else to say about this thing. They're on Amazon. You can pick them up like, I want to say 3 of these for $22. If you don't have Prime, I guess they're $32 including tax and shipping. But yeah, you know, if you don't want to have to go through all the troubles of finding like new old stock on eBay, which this is an option here, these Craig VHS tapes. After I turn off the camera here, you'll see some example footage on one of these and what it looks like, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty basic. Okay, so I'm adding this little bit into the video just because I was talking to a friend last night and he can't fathom how to record onto a VCR, so I'm just adding this real quick. Get a computer and get an HDMI cable and connect it to your HDMI on your computer. In this case, I'm using a USB-C to HDMI cable because, of course, you know, this Apple has to be difficult about everything. Get a converter box like this one right here. You can get this one on Amazon for $20. I recommend it because it's metal case. Its picture quality is very clean. It can do anamorphic widescreen, which is what I'll be recording in because, you know, I like my widescreen. And it has an S-video output in case you want to record to DVD or SVHS. You want to connect it to the front of your VCR, or alternatively to the video into the back of your VCR. And flip to the channel until you see a picture on your screen like that. In this case, with this end of the line Funai unit, all I have to do is switch the input from the back to the front because it cannot work with analog channels. Normally, what I would say is to press record and then pause to put it in record standby mode. However, this Funai really hates when I do that, and it will turn off if I do that, so you can just hit record and then you just play your video. There we go. When you're done recording, press stop. And if you do it right, you can see that the video has been recorded onto the tape when you back it up and then press play. If I take back everything I said before, this thing is actually pretty good. For starters, I recorded HD video on it, some like newscasts and whatever, and it actually turned out pretty alright. Let me get out of the box here. There wasn't a lot of wobble, there wasn't a lot of, like, you know, distortion or anything. It was pretty crisp, pretty clean, and overall stable. It turns out, yes, they actually are still manufacturing these things. I called up the Craig customer support line and asked them about the VHS tapes and whatever, and if they're still making them or not. And yeah, they are. So these in 2024 are still being made, and you can get them on Amazon. And yeah, you don't have to rely on new old stock on eBay for VHS tapes. So yeah, I guess roll the example footage.
Taking advantage of storm victims in vulnerable spots. Plus, you'll remember this shocking scene on the roof of a hospital happening a week ago today. Dozens of people rescued by helicopter as floodwaters closed in. One says he is working with the Red Cross and other organizations to direct supplies where they need to go. Morning, a volunteer in Newport came up to me and let me know about a lot of items that you can give to help that are items that you may not think of in the